No, no. They must score with one player. Me done that long time.
One easy. Where you are, the brother?
No, they have one that squad battles here for us get certain rank.
Oh, go.
Let me see, can tell you. Let's look for your rank and it tell you. That elite two, elite three. No, man. So you're there at the silver. I think, yeah, for you go silver. Once you reach up in that silver, you get. Go for your rank. When you go for squad battles.
Know where I'm going, man. Need bullet.
What? Yeah. Yeah. You know I'll get it till Sunday when you get your reward. No. Look now. It tell you. Six days earlier.
You said that weird them if we go. Over
Yeah, it's
here,
a
some if we
glitch.
go.
You see,
I have to pass them boy there.
man, put on his Zlatan.
You never cousin, you know.
I wish I had Zlatan that day. A flashback Zlatan.
Good enough, Saka. So, that's the way there. Like somebody asked me when you and said, yeah, they are Dixon, but you know, say they are Dixon, say they are Dixon. One so you say me and say they are Dixon. One so you say me and say me they are Puffy. They tell them about 3 years old. Not a damn pussy in name. So laugh. Never like extra one day, you know, man. For a long time. From foot swap one. Them should have let me use him.
Oh my days, you know.
4, 6, 8, 9 yam, bro.
Yep.
That one never seal it up next 10.
I just use my one by make up do up make up up master.
Yes, man.
Just use that. Yes.
Me have 9.
Good boy.
And I know me what 9 yam.
The one they attack. He scored it.
And 9 me get them, brother. I don't know how, but I got 9.
There's one in the SBC, and the one in the SBC.
Yeah, that good all gone now by this.
No, me just do it since night. No, I do 2 in a week.
Artyom, help us here.
Um,
The old man won't let Katya and Nastya come with us, even though Katya told us where to find a passenger car in great condition.
And the man still follow through and block him, you know. Game a wicked, bro.
go back now, I guess.
Where would you go? Those fanatics would eat you alive.
See that? No, game, no. No. That is a fucked up goal, bro.
Hi, Artyom.
No, sir.
Hey, Artyom, see how it all worked out?
Come here, Artyom. Have a seat. Look, we have an opportunity to cross the bridge without an assault. There are trade caravans going up the river, and the bridge dwellers do business with them. So, disguised as such traders, we will infiltrate the bridge and lower it. Katya says it still works. They won't be able to stop us if we move.
Game, that was last goal, a thieving goal.
They want blood, they will get it. So now, we only have to wait for the trader's boat.
Colonel, sir.
Yo.
You can't just leave them here. They will be eaten alive.
Stepan, did you ever try using your head? Do you know where we are going? What we are going to face on the way there? Where, pray tell, are they going to sleep on the Aurora? Atop the coal crates? We Spartans can handle it. But for a woman with a 6-year-old daughter, no less, this is unacceptable.
I'll give you my metro and move into the stove.
You will fall asleep and get your throat cut. The next day you'll get guarded.
At 9 o'clock already?
Still, I know we can't leave them.
Let's just collect that carriage cut.
Yo, if you see how they ended up on a jet rad.
And anyhow,
No.
to sleep in turns for.
Man, them have Bill Cosby a coming here, brother. No, sir.
That carriage. I'm not taking it.
No, you don't need it. I have a rail car hidden in the terminal. It can tow a carriage like nobody's business. Artyom
Huh?
can go get it and bring the carriage back.
No way you're letting you go. They're wanting to finish their repairs, and I can't handle it myself in time. Okay, have it your way. I'm done playing the monster here. We get that carriage. We take the civilians with us. Artyom, will you handle this? Listen, Artyom. If the caravan is sighted, drop everything and rush to the port. It's our best chance of traversing the bridge.
Thanks, Dad. Katya and Nastya will be so grateful.
Here, Artyom. It's a breaker for the rail car. It won't run without this. She's a real babe, Artyomich. No two ways about it. We went to hell and back, here and I. So much stuff you hold, so many tight spots she saved me from. Look, Artyom, since you're going to the terminal, hear me out. It's quite a distance away, and look, if you go at night, there's less of a chance you might run into bandits. They stay at their camps when it's done. But it's not gonna be easy either, since more beasts come out, and there are also electrical anomalies. The fanatics call them the demons of electricity, so you should think about your options before heading out.
Artyom, Duke is on a mission in that area. He's keeping tabs on the bridge. Reception is bad there. We get mostly static from him. Anyway, if you meet him, he'll update you on the latest developments in the terminal. I bet you've conspired with Anna and Stepan. I care for those two no less than you. But we don't know if what's ahead is any better than the fanatics. I guess we'll have to live and see.
Look like I can't be able to survive.
Just as you said, boy, I have a full Liverpool side to the road. Man have the 88 ones to watch. Brazilian. The man have the 90 Van Dijk. The man have the 84 Matip. The man have the 86 Robertson. The man have a 89 Future Star. We have 86 blue card Fabino. We have the red card Fermino. We have a legend. We have a 87 Sani. We have the storage 88. And we have Salah. me about 14 grand, me have to buy for since night.
Great job persuading the old man.
The regular
Check out my
one,
setup
I
here,
take the
Artyom.
motor.
I finally got everything the way I wanted. A proper workbench with storage space for all my tools and some to spare. You can clean your weapons and make ammo for them here, just like with any other workbench you might find. My gun rack is only available here on the Aurora, though. I'll keep samples of every gun you find, and you can exchange them whenever you want. Always in their best working condition, oiled and shiny like new. You won't have to install any attachments again, though. I am going to make you all competent gunsmiths eventually. Listen, Artyom, I have something for your T-Hog. Can't try installing it. Use the workbench. Well, I won't keep you here any longer.
Yeah, but come on, we have to take a look. How this? I guess I do.
Italian league expensive now that I call about another 50 and so. Italian league dear.
50 and 1,000. Which one I'm carrying?
The regular can, it's not how they almost same the can come out now.
Right now, I'm going to look for another big sim can. Sneak another big sim.
46,000.
Yeah, regular can.
I'm not sure, so we get the boy Larry, Buffon today. It's right, there's up on my French backline. The French team backline right there, so blood clot, it was great.
Yo, me so forward, you know.
Hold on, I'm popping just a minute. You're not going to. Yes, I fuck off.
It just green this sort of blow.
Overside is done.
Thank you, and Artyom, for helping
They
us.
said if it does clear,
You have only one player on him inside of goal and a Masala.
he's a full Liverpool side.
Right is. All the coach. A Liverpool fan, man.
The man team here red and dead.
Just dead.
The boy spoke with the Ferdinand and sweet and said, "Well, go on, go, that's TV good."
Yes, I'm a man new player. I'm going to
More come back, more run off at least 2 SBC before me come Gambia. I mean, see, brother, alone me get play out.
That wasn't so hard. See, there are demons nesting somewhere on those storage tanks near the terminal. So could you check if the toy is on one of them? I know this sounds silly, but
Me have a little 20k. I try to sell the ones to watch card.
I'll be in your debt if you
See, me can get back my money and spend fee. To buy one. And then do our next one to watch and do 2 of the player upgrade.
I know it's dangerous and all, but if a chance presents itself,
Yeah, I can't tell me. I try to get Conte.
people doing turning our main frequency into a cold show. It's gonna be mission.
De Bruyne, if me get a De Bruyne, me just sell that or a Pogba.
We're done already.
Okay.
All right, as you were. Over and out.
Yo, so forward.
Artyom, Miller here. Transmitting Duke's coordinates. He's keeping tabs on the bridge from there. Meet up with him. He'll fill you in.
goal that German.
What?
Because the Italian side can't
The
score
first
much.
one I give it a little idiot la la there, before they give it a real la la.
Well, hello, my blood brother. Didn't see me, huh? The others don't either. I'm basically part of the scenery now. I heard you were headed to the terminal for the rail car. Then let me fill you in. The terminal can only be entered by water. Luckily, there is a dock with a boat nearby. Left there by the fanatics, it seems. Inside, there are just those, humanimal mutants, or so it seems. See that gas station? It's a bandit hideout. They ambushed the fanatics. These guys seem to be drawn to the terminal like flies to you know.
I can't upgrade. Yes, the first day I have to trade now once to watch to get that once to watch.
Get one, you know.
I have a couple, but I'm still trading, I'm not trading yet to get one. Where them sign that come from? No, I didn't know them sign that. What's one of them players?
Good hunting.
How them team are from?
Every league upgrade required. You think it's worth it? That every league. We got the one for every league.
Because if there's no boat, the dumbass is stuck running around. What's that shit? That asshole looks like he don't belong here.
Hey, Jack, what is it down there?
What's that shit? What? You fucking bitch!
You fucking bitch!
I see the fucking bastard!
Hey!
Fucking bitch! There he is, that fucker!
The fucker's down there! There he is!
You fucking bitch!
That's motherfucker! bushes!
Shit! Need a reload! Here, you fucker!
Get your ass, you motherfucker! His big people!
The bitch is going up!
Yo, Matt, why are you stretched down there?
Don't shoot! I give up!
Just chill, man. We're cool. We're cool. Damn, that was fucking unlucky.
Come in, Artyom! Can you hear me? Over! Artyom, come in! Come in!
Hmm.